Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you why you should use a lens cleaner and how to use it. And for today's example I'm gonna use two different eyeglasses. The first one is from Modo, is a $600 pair of eyeglasses. It has anti-reflective coating and prescription lenses. The second model is from Oakley. It is an Oakley shock tube with ballistic grade lenses. It has also prescription lenses with an anti-fog treatment and anti-reflective coating on it, for a total value of around $400. So let's start with the alternatives. How can you clean your lenses if you don't have a lens cleaner? So the first solution is to wipe them dry with a microfiber cloth. The problem with this is that if you don't use a moisture or a kind of liquid with your cloth, you really risk to scratch the lenses, especially if you're using high-end glasses. For example, in the air, in the normal air that we breathe, there is a fair percentage of silica, and these particles can fall on the lenses, and while you are wiping them, you can scratch them. You can also have hard particles, dust on the lens itself that can cause problems. And my favorite reason is the cloth itself. When is the last time that you wash it? When is the last time that you clean your microfiber cloth? If you wipe the lens surface without any liquid, you really risk to make some damage. The second option that you have is to use tap water or sink water. Also here it depends on the area where you live. For example, in the area where I live, I need to use a filtration system because the tap water is not so pure. The public water system is not very good. If the water is too hot or too cold, it risks to damage the coating. Another annoying reason why I don't like to use simple water is that if I have oily fingerprints on the lens or some kind of oily moisture, it's very difficult to wipe them off just with water. You really need to scrub the lens before you have a shiny result. So that's why I just prefer a lens cleaner, a professional grade lens cleaner like a Purity lens cleaner that I have here, and they really work fine. They are made mainly with type 2 deionized water and other safe chemicals that they are safe for all lenses, included AR coated lenses, and you are really able to wipe off the lens every dust, dirt, oil or fingerprint with ease. Purity lens cleaner comes with different sizes and colors. For example, we also have the pink and green version. The formula inside is the same, the outcome is the same, so you can just pick your favorite color. They also come with different sizes. For example, this is an 8-ounce bottle and it is a value format, but we also have the 2-ounce bottle, which is a travel size, and you can carry it in your bag and clean your lenses on the go. If you get Purity lens cleaner kits, they will come with a Purity microfiber cloth, so you really don't have to get anything else. You already have all the tools that you need to take care of your eyewear. So as I said, using it is very easy. You just open the spray bottle and then you grab a microfiber cloth and of course your pair of glasses. So you can just spray once per lens, okay? And then you wipe the lens cleaner off with your microfiber cloth. I like to put pressure with my thumb, and I am doing a circular motion. So you repeat this movement until the lens cleaner is wiped off and the lens is dry, and crystal clear. And that's it. You have perfectly crystal clear lenses. And even if the lens cleaner goes on the frame of your eyeglass, it doesn't matter. It doesn't ruin it. It doesn't discolor it, it doesn't create any kind of issue. For this video I also wanted to demonstrate how to use lens cleaner with a different type of eyeglasses. For example, if you like shooting or you need to wear safety eyeglasses for your job that have a plastic based lens or a polymer based lens, it doesn't matter. You still can use a purity lens cleaner and the process is the same. One spray for each size of the lens. Even if it goes on your hand, it doesn't matter because it is family safe. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals inside, and it's very easy, really, and it's a pleasure to wipe these lenses because the result is really amazing. And if you use eyeglasses for work, like these kind of eyeglasses that are safety grade, you really want to have the lens clean and spotless, so you avoid injuries or other possible problems. So also here, in my opinion, you have an amazing result. You really can see that the lens really clear. And I want to leave you with another tip, guys. So not all microfiber cloths are the same. So if you get lens cleaner kit, you get purity lens cleaner cloth included. And purity cloths are lint free and are 100% made by microfiber, and they have a dense waved honeycomb pattern that can easily grab and trap all the dust and particles from the lens and help you wipe the lenses very easily. They also come with this convenient plastic bag, so you can store the cloth for future use, and it doesn't get dirty while you're not using it. But the best feature that I like is that they are machine washable, so you don't have any excuses anymore not to wash your cloth. You can just throw it in the machine wash, use a cold temperature water setting, and that's it, and you have your microfiber cloth like new. You can reuse it how many times you want, and that's it, guys. Take care of your eyewear, clean your lenses, because the most important thing is to look cool, right? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.